alaikum. So today it's another vlog, another weekend vlog. It's kind of like cloudy a little bit, but what can we do? We are in England, isn't it? So yeah, I will take you with me this weekend, show you what we're going to do and all of the small, beautiful, small things. And I hope you will enjoy this vlog. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.
Okay. So how long is that?
The 3-year undergraduate unit, 3 at Barrett School of Architecture, but the global career in marketing and design. Okay, so it's like a kind of it's kind of
This is a different. This is the one that they put on the
tulips. Are they tulips?
Yes.
Or the roses?
Tulips, baby. It's not roses.
It's not You can come here in the afternoon tomorrow.
No.
And they have the thing you can break it off and put it on your bike.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
You know? Wow.
Let's take a video. So how it is to drive automatic, babe?
Oh, so relaxing. I want to go to sleep.
I will call it a toy. I will call it a toy car because seriously, it's changing. What we called it?
Toyota.
Toyota. So we did rent a car to go and pick up the thing from Ikea because we just wanted to drive there and we need more space to put the stuff on. So we had this car which is automatic that Hamid never drive automatic before. He always manual like me. So I think it's a good experience, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And lazy one. How big this cookie. Do you enjoy it?
It's really tasty. It's got chunks of chocolate in it.
Yeah, this is my favorite. I like it.
Come with the
Let's go. Very much with my cooking.
What we did from chocolate? Yeah, just one. There's little bits of stuff.
Yeah. And then we have to look for the other thing. Yeah, here. Here you see how it is. Come on.
Okay, the next one was.
Was one here.
Yeah,
one
let
here.
me check on the phone. So
In the 12. I can look for it. I can look for it.
It's on my phone.
Okay.
Why are you rushing? Okay, we've got Mel. So there is Jersey, which is 0629, and the other one is 3612.
No, no, no. And there is one just here in the number 2 or number 1.
Number 629.
Okay.
Jersey. The first thing that needs to go inside is the Oh my god, Ikram.
What?
Oh my god, my latte is getting cold.
You scared me. You scared me, you know that? Anyway.
Bismillah. Said it after. Bismillah, bismillah. You want to try some?
No, thank
Try
you.
some. I know you don't like it.
It's okay. I think this one is better than the other
It's
one.
better than the mocha.
Yeah. So we can we smash it from here before even collect it. But anyway, here and here. It's fine. It's fine, isn't it?
Okay, move your leg.
Perfect. Hello, so I was thinking I can share with you what we have done so far and what we got from Ikea. It's been a day, so we did that last yesterday, you know. We got our stuff, so yesterday was Sunday, so let me show you everything better, you know. So we got this Alex drawer that we sadly it's frozen. It's a brick here, and then also down here as well, and here. Such a sad thing, but anyway, we did manage to bring it. I mean, to fix it, even it was before it, and I put some stuff in these drawers. So far, some stuff. I'm not going into so much detail, but I'm just showing you a little bit. I think give you some idea. Oh, actually, I got this toy. I got these boxes from Ikea as well. I forget the name of them, but they're really handy. Then some of stuff here. You know, anyway, I just put stuff over here and here and here and here and here. This is my hair product. I really like these two products. Anyway, that's that. And also I got this drawer, which I don't remember the name exactly. So put my shoes on. This is just the shoes I managed to bring with me from Morocco. I didn't bring all my shoes. I still have some in the other drawer, but if you wanted to see my whole the shoes that I own since for my collection, I do have a YouTube video for it if you wanted to watch it. That's for that. Then let's go to this side. So I got this beauty thing, so I put some of my stuff here, you know, just some stuff. And then I got this one, it's share with, I put just this to cover it. And inside this drawer, I didn't put yet my stuff, but I put some side where I collect where I put some of my stuff. Anyway, and then I had to open this one as well. It's to hem clothes, but still I don't know where to put it yet. In this room, maybe I'm not going to put it in this room. Anyway, I'm happy and glad that I did manage to get these things so far. So this is amazing, and I hope you like this video. So if you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, and like this, comment and share it with your friend, maybe if you like it, I don't know. Anyway, so, and if you want to leave a comment, that would be really lovely. I hope it's a good comment, not a bad one. Anyway, I wish you a lovely day and see you guys soon in YouTube land.